The Jungle Book, The Story of Mowgli by Rudyard Kipling, presented by Real Arts Workshops. A little boy called Mowgli is raised by kind wolves in the Indian jungle. How many can you see here? They are helped by Baloo, the laid-back bear. Do you know what laid-back means? And Bagheera, the serious black panther. Do you know what serious means? Baloo and Bagheera teach him the law of the jungle. He becomes friends with the elephants, the most respected animals. The chief elephant is Kala Nag. What is an elephant's nose called? Baloo loves to live carefree in the jungle, and Mowgli loves this. He sings a cool song.
For the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big old home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. But you look under the rocks and plants, take a glance at the fancy ants, and maybe try a few, yeah. The bare necessities of life will come to you. Look for the bare necessities, those simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life. Now when you pick a pawpaw or a prickly pear, and you prick a raw paw, ouch! Next time beware. Don't pick the prickly pear by the paw. When you pick a pear, try to use a claw. You don't need to use a claw when you pick a pear off the big pawpaw. By giving you a clue. The bare necessities of life will come to you. Now come to you. Bit of trumpet now. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities. That's why a bear can rest at ease with just the bare necessities of life. With just the bare necessities of life. With just the bare necessities of life.
Some years later, the wolf pack and Mowgli are threatened by the naughty tiger, Shere Khan. Mowgli brings fire and drives Shere Khan away. This means he is a man and he must leave the jungle. During the time Mowgli was with the wolves, he is taken away by silly monkeys. How many monkeys do you see here? The monkeys take Mowgli to the ruined city. Baloo and Bagheera set out to rescue Mowgli, and Kaa, the funny snake, helps. Kaa hypnotizes the monkeys with his funny dance. Mowgli returns to the human village and is adopted by nice Mesua and her husband. He grows up to be a fine man, but he never forgets his friends, the kind wolves. Baloo, the laid-back bear. Bagheera, the serious Black Panther. And Kaa, the funny snake. The end.
Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life.